This is the biggest mistake that most YouTubers make early on in their career.
Hard work, hard work, hard work, hard work, hard work, work. There you go. Hard work, work. Everybody doing it right. Hard work, work, work. That's what I say. Hard work, work, work. Earn more pay. Hard work, hard work.
Okay, before we get into today's video, here is today's video shout outs. If you would like to be featured in the video for a shout out, check the description box below. It has all of the information needed for you to be shouted out in the month of June. Now let's get into the video. Hey everybody, it's Army Princess and welcome back to my channel. For those of you all who are watching me for the very first time, I'm Army Princess, a U.S. Army soldier. I've been in the military over 10 years now, and I love to share my experiences with you all to help you all become the best soldiers you can be. So with that being said, go ahead and click the subscribe button right now. If you are new to my channel, let me know right now in the comment section that you are a new subscriber. Just say, hey, I'm a new subscriber, and I'm going to give you one of my very special emojis. So this video is a highly requested video, and I am so proud to say, yay, that I have a highly requested video on how to grow your YouTube channel. I never thought that I would be the one making a video telling other military YouTubers or just anybody in general how to grow their YouTube channel. It seems like it took me a very long time to grow my channel just to 20K subscribers. I've been on the YouTube platform for about 4 years now. I want to say about 4 years now, and there were a lot. When I say a lot, there were a lot of mistakes that I made in the beginning of my YouTube journey that I want to share with you all, so that you all don't have to make the same mistakes that I have made. So in this video, I am going to show you how I gained over 500 subscribers in just 28 days and how my YouTube channel is beginning to take off, so that you don't have to make the same mistakes and you can start growing your YouTube channel. So before we get into the video, go ahead and drop a green heart emoji down in the comment section. It just shows our love and appreciation for the military and lets me know that you all are rocking with me and you support me here on this channel. So one of the biggest ways that I can definitely say that I began to grow my channel and when I began to see growth on my channel is when I niche down. A lot of people lately on the YouTube platform have been talking about niches and picking a niche. So what is a niche? A niche is like a genre of videos that you produce. In the beginning of my YouTube career, I didn't really know what direction I wanted to go into my YouTube channel. My channel was literally all over the place. I made hair videos, I made vlog videos, I made videos with Giselle, I made makeup videos, and it was like any given day when you landed on my page, you didn't know what you would get from me. So finally, I did a military video and I got a lot of views. I got a lot of questions on that video, and I kind of started tailoring my channel towards a military content channel. But even still, when I had that military channel, my military channel was all over the place. So in the beginning, I thought because I was a military YouTuber and I did military content that people would flock to my channel, and that was not the case. One of my favorite military YouTubers was Matt Ward, and I was like, how is he growing his channel so fast? And I kind of watched his channel, watched his style, and figured out that he was producing lots and lots of content at a rapid pace, and all of his content was kind of like the same type of content. So he was a niche within the military YouTube community. Instead of him doing like any type of random military content, the bulk of his content was talking about basic training and preparing people to get ready for basic training. I noticed over the years that there are a lot of military YouTubers that have come onto the platform, and for a lot of people, especially starting out with a brand new channel, it can seem that the military niche is very saturated. So my tip to you is to find your own niche within the military YouTube sector. So as you all might have noticed, over the past few months, I've been niching down. I've been doing a specific kind of content, which is focusing on being a female in the military instead of just random content all over the place when it pertains to the military. Since I've done that, I noticed that there's a rapid amount of growth within my channel. So what I advise to you is find a niche within the military YouTube sector and then niche down a little bit further and fill in the holes. What areas are we as military YouTubers lacking in the military YouTuber sector that you can plug into your channel and you can start gaining momentum on your channel in that way? The second biggest way that you can grow on your channel and the way that I've seen growth on my channel is engagement. Engagement is the key playing factor that YouTube as a whole looks at when it's thinking about showcasing your channel, showing it on the recommended side, and just giving your channel a little bit more airplay. So YouTube looks at watch time and it looks at engagement. Over the last few months since the beginning of the year, I have grown my watch time and my engagement tremendously. I've done little things by asking people to like, subscribe, and follow, and leave a comment. While you're at it, go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end and hit the like button. When you hit the like button, it really does help out my channel. It lets YouTube know that you like my content and that they should push it higher into the search engine so more people can see the video. It's kind of weird because if you're not a YouTuber, a lot of people that just watch and consume your content don't know that every like really helps your channel. Every comment really helps your channel. Anytime somebody watches the video all the way to the end and clicks on the end screen, really does help out your channel, because it lets YouTube know that, hey, this person really likes it. This content that you're producing is engaging. People are coming back. People are interacting with that content. Maybe we should push your videos more higher in the search engine so more people can watch your content. So you all hear me say that all the time in a lot of my recent videos, and I have really seen a tremendous amount of growth by doing that, by just encouraging my subscribers to actually click on the like button, to actually leave a comment, and to actually watch it all the way to the end. The third biggest way that I have seen growth in my channel, and I have been able to get over 500 subscribers in the last month, is really just giving my subscribers what they want. It sounds pretty easy. It sounds pretty like self-explanatory, but a lot of military YouTubers and YouTubers in general come on their platform thinking it's their platform. If you want to grow your channel, you have to listen to your subscribers. Give your subscribers what they want. If your subscribers are asking you about fitness videos, then do fitness videos. If your subscribers are asking you about hair makeup regulations, then do those videos. Don't just come on the platform doing what you want to do. This is the biggest mistake that most YouTubers make early on in their career. They come on doing Q&As or daily vlogs or 50 random questions about me when nobody really knows who you are, and frankly nobody cares. But if you came on from day one giving information to people, creating a platform that people can come to you to get something from, because let's just be honest, people are on here because they want to get information for the most part. There are a lot of entertainment channels, but for the most part, especially as a military YouTuber, people are consuming your content because they are curious. They want to know. They're about to leave for basic training. They want to know what that military life is like. So listen to your subscribers. See what's going on in the comment section. See what questions they're asking you, and produce content based off the questions that they're asking you, instead of content that you just want to put out because you think it's good content. I'm telling you, in the beginning, I put out a lot of vlogs of my Saturday afternoon, and I did question and answer with me, when in the beginning nobody really cared because nobody knew who I was. So nobody was going to sit and watch a 25-minute vlog when they really don't care. But the moment I start putting out content that's letting people know what to expect in basic training and giving people tips on to be better in the military, that's when I saw people flock to my content. So to sum it up, the 3 things that I did in the last 28 days to really see growth and gain over 500 subscribers in my video was to give the people what they want, to niche down, and to create engagement on my channel. I guarantee you, if you do those 3 things, you will definitely see growth on your channel the same way I did. If you want to see another video on 3 more things that I did to increase my subscribership in the last 28 days, then let's get this video to 100 likes. On that note, I will see you all on the next one. Bye.
Hard work, hard work. Hard work, hard work. Hard work, work. There you go.